got the guys from Individuals here hanging out. What do you guys got in the ice chest? That's what I want to know. Water. All right, we're at Groupe San Diego annual car show right here in beautiful National City. So let's go check out the cars. And those of you asking, there's my car right there. That's my car. All right, let's go check out the cars. Groupe Car Club San Diego, let's go. Oh, they don't want to be on TV. It's okay. All right, this is another group of great gente. Individuals. Via Escuela right there. So many cars. Let's go check out the cars. There, Aslan. What's going on? How's it going? Good. Good to see you. Good to see you. How's everything?
Can't wait for your show, man.
It's going good. Good. How's everything? Did you bring your bike? No. Car and bike? Ah, man.
Bike, I haven't ridden in a minute. I'll get back to it.
Dude, he's the one that got me motivated to ride my bike, and he doesn't even ride anymore.
I know, right? I'll ride again.
You know what? It's because I was starting to ride. He's like, screw that guy. Good to see you guys. Oh, look at this beautiful car. That's a beauty. Oh, that's a beautiful car right there. Look at that one. I'm telling you, another great car show. Cable, right?
Cable, yes.
How long have you been shooting?
A year now.
A year? So is this a hobby of yours? Or you
I do weddings, quinceañeras, stuff like that.
Oh, so this is professional?
Yeah, but I mean, kind of. But I started shooting like a year ago. So,
Wow.
I'm on Instagram, cable television.
All right,
Yeah,
look for cable television. All right, thank you so much.
Thanks.
Make sure you follow him. Beautiful lineup, great lineup. Looking good, looking good. Look at this. Oh.
Okay, yeah, so that's perfect.
Oh, that got in my shot, by the way. That got in my shot. Look at that one right there. Oh, beautiful car. All right, this is my friend Armando's car, and it is for sale. So if you're looking for a car that's already done and you want to drive it, here's the number. Give him a call, okay? Look at that car. Call Armando and buy the car. It's for sale. You don't have to do anything, just drive it. Look at this beauty right here. I always like these Lincolns. You know why? Because you could do that with a Lincoln. Look at that. You could walk under there if you want to. Look at that. That's bananas. Love it. It's beautiful. 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 Oh, there's that guy.
What's happening?
How you been, buddy?
Great.
How's everything?
Great. I'm saving that 59 for your show.
I'm ready. I'm ready for it, man. It's gonna win. Big winner. Got some tacos. I can smell the food. What's going on with that? There he is.
Let's go.
Tell everyone who you are, bro.
Padre Libre 1904, baby. If we don't cheer for our city, who will?
There you go. That's Die Hard right there. Padre Libre. Follow him on Instagram. That's the homie right there.
Let's go. Let's go.
Die Hard Padre fan right there. I don't know anybody die hard than that guy. That guy is like down for the Padres. Got the guys over there from San Diego representing Majestics. Man, jam-packed to the gills. Oh, look at this. Here we go. Here we go. Some more great cars. This is Majestics. Majestics. It's done. The wagon is done. Look at that. It is done, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Look at that wagon. All done. All done. I wonder if they're Raider fans. I'm just saying. Look at this. This is a wagon. I love this. Look at this thing. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my God. It's beautiful. Look at that. I love it. Look at that. That's our car right there. Congratulations.
Thank you.
I love it.
Thank you.
Oh, I didn't see the details. Look at the details. That's old school right there. Beautiful. All right, we got the Pachucos. Let's go check out their car. Oh, look at this one. Recently done. Cherry. Hey, hey, hey! Look at it. Does your wives know you guys are over here? Okay, I'm just checking. Look at that. That's who they are. Pachucos! All right, we got Aslan. 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 Aslan Car Club. We always roll deep. Hey, hey, hey!
How you
Good
doing,
to
brother?
see you. I'm doing well.
All right, man.
Good to see you. Aslan's got a huge lineup of cars. Look at this. How beautiful, right? Amazing vehicles. I want this one. I want to buy this one right here. They won't let me buy it though. Look at this car. Hey, hey, hey! All right, we got New Wave Car Club, New Wave. They've been around for many, many years. OG. Hey, hey, look at that. Beauty, I gotta shoot Beauty. There you go, there you go. What do we got here?
Hi.
Thank you. There you go, little interruption. Hey, you know what? They want to be, in the video. We're gonna put them in the video. How you guys doing?
Good, good, good.
Tell me about your club. How long have you guys been around?
Since 73. So,
1973, New Wave. How many chapters do you guys have?
Southern California and Northern California.
Two.
Two.
Two chapters.
Two chapters.
Since 1973. And then we got Aslan San Diego Bike Club. Got the beautiful bike clubs. Look at, there you go.
So, what's going on, X-Man?
How you guys doing? How you guys
How's it
doing?
going, man?
Looking good, looking good. All these amazing bicicletas. Look at the beautiful paint. We got right there, that's a car show winner right there, a bike show winner. Beautiful, beautiful. And we got one more back there we got to show. Is that your bike?
Ryder, talking to you.
No.
Whose bike is that? That's a beautiful bike. Congratulations. Thank you guys.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
See you, man.
I want to put you guys in my video. Is that okay? Hey, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
How you been? How's everything going?
Good. Good. Yeah.
Where's your dad at?
He's at work right now. Brought the car out today.
Since like 6 in the morning.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, there he is.
We got
Hey! Yeah, it looks good though.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, man.
to meet you
Appreciate you.
too.
Good to see you. Here we go. Here we go. Hold on. Here. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. Okay, what do we got going on here today?
It's a hot one today.
It's getting hot now, for reals, you know, so.
Dude, sold out.
It's sold out. I want to apologize. Overwhelming response, but I know some people got upset, but at the same time, that means you got to be here early. You know what I mean?
Pre-register. Pre-register. That's why we tell people to pre-register, so you're locked in, you got a spot.
Yes.
Pre-register.
Yes, we
Just like you have to pre-register for Cruise for the Cause this year.
Oh, exactly. Good plug. Good plug. I love that.
Look at that.
Yeah, we're still here.
Beautiful lineup. Beautiful lineup. We're still here. How'd it come back? Here's Louis' car. This is Louis' car, man. I love Louis' car. In fact, my first car, I mimicked Louis because this car is amazing. It's like right off the showroom floor, 1963, and then turned into Lowrider probably the next day. But this thing has every option you could imagine. Anything that's out there that has to do with the 63 Impala, any option this guy has in his car, and he's got hydraulics. Look at that. He even got the tool. Look at, see that tool right there. Yep. This is it right here, ladies and gentlemen. 63 with multiple options and a show winner for sure. There it is, right there. Hey, how you doing? How you doing? Good to see you. Congratulations. Good show. There's my bro. Always eating. Good to see you, mijo. Looking good. Look at I love it. Good to see you. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo te ha ido?
Está bien.
Hey, how you doing? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Todo está bien?
Todo bien.
How you doing? ¿Cómo estás? How's it going? Where you guys' cars over there?
Right here.
Okay. I'm gonna shoot your cars.
Right now, Javier, over there.
All right.
All friends.
Hey there. How you doing? Long time no see.
Right, yeah.
How's everything?
Good.
There we go. I love oddballs.
Well, here I am.
That's what it's all about. Show what you got.
Hi, I'm Bill, and this is Irene Kastler.
And that's my husband.
And this is my wife.
And what do you got back there?
And this is our 2004 Jeep Wrangler. We've had it since it's new. We've done a little upgrades. No hydraulics, but just lifts.
But it's three-wheeling though, so
That's right.
there you go.
We're here at 3 wheels.
There it is. Evidence in 3 wheels, ladies and gentlemen. It's not a Lowrider, but it does 3-wheel.
They go low, we go high.
What about your car?
Well, this is our 2004 Jeep Wrangler, and our fake rock. And we came out to support the club and whatever they're doing, and hopefully we'll come enjoy yours too.
Yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. Look at that.
That's our 3-wheeling.
Come visit us at our desert safari. We
All right.
some tear-offs.
All right, there it is. Tell us about this event.
Well, this is our 63rd Desert Safari. We have a 3-day event. We got vendors, we have an off-road trail, and a huge raffle. We have over $100,000 worth of prizes in our raffle, and you get one ticket. You register, you get one ticket for the raffle. We do it to keep land open for everyone to use.
That's beautiful. We appreciate that. What a minute here. What's up? Good to see you. How's everything?
Good.
Another blessed day. Another blessed day. All right, you too. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Hi! Old friends. This is old Friends Car Club. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, in 2000.
All right, the 23rd. Okay. There he is.
What's up, X-Man?
There he is. That's the owner of the car. Look at that thing. Isn't it beautiful? Look at that. Jose is a badass builder, bro. He is an amazing builder. Look at this car. Look at this thing. I love this car right here. Look at that, 57 Chevy Lowrider. Look at the interior. Look at the engine.
Groupe Car Show right here in National City. Enjoy a free agua fresca with your donation of a school supplies valid at Mara's Munchies right here next to my left. You have some school supplies. Come down, donate them, and you'll receive an agua fresca. There you go, all the way live with DJ Jose Monterosa in the mix.
Manilon, look at that, that's Jose Monterosa. Woo, woo, woo.
Nice to meet you. I'm Green Eyes.
Hi, Karina, nice to meet you too. How you doing?
Good, we're gonna perform.
representing today. Look at all these beautiful vehicles. Oh my God. I love the paint. Oh, there it is. There it is right there. I'm going to tell you folks, the video does not do this car justice. Look at that. Amazing. I love it. Got the roof on it. Got the custom interior. Got the hydraulics right there. Yeah, that's a beauty right there. Look at that. Yep. Oh, look at this one right here. Almost missed that caddy. Look at that caddy. Boom. Can't forget the caddy. Beautiful car. How's it going? Good to see you.
It's going. How you doing, brother?
I took a shot of your guys'
Oh, right on. Thank you.
August 23rd, little baila, and then what else are you gonna do? A little dinner or something like that?
Todo.
There you go. You got it.
Thank you.
There you go. Bombas! Good event last week.
What was that?
Your guys' event last Saturday.
Yeah, the picnic, yeah.
Yeah, it was real good.
Yeah, it's been a while.
It was nice.
A lot of cars.
Are you? I was like, are you judging me? Yeah, all right, this is Ray Garcia, PPG's beautiful car. Look at this. What does this car remind you of, huh? What movie does this car remind you of? There you go. Who are these characters? Look at that. No, my bad.
That's crazy. Anthony got into it.
There you go. How you doing? How you doing? Oh, look at this one right here. Woo! Look at that. Look at the details. I'm loving this one right here. Look at that. Wow. Is this your car?
No.
It's not. Are you sure you don't want it? You don't want it? You don't want to claim it? Why not? Claim it. I love the color. You know, are you sure you don't want to claim it? It's beautiful. I love it. Whose car is this? Oh, come on. Whose car is it?
Mine.
How you doing, brother? Good to see you. Nomás aquí. Good to see you. How's everything? Good?
Everything's good, man.
Good, good,
How you doing? Good?
Good, good, good. Just getting some beautiful cars. This is your car? Your car. Oh, man. No one wants to claim it. I'll claim it. I want that car. That's the most. There. Oh, we got the Crowd. One of the biggest clubs in San Diego. The Crowd Car Club. They got a lot of members. They got a lot of beautiful cars. A lot of beautiful people. A lot of good gente. Hey! You're on the YouTube channel. Say hi.
Yes, man.
Ándale, ¿cómo estás? Good to see you, brother. I'm doing well. Which car are you taking home for her?
Which one you want? That one over there.
All right, let's buy it. Let's buy it. That's awesome. Oh, of course. Come on. In front of your car? Without. Oh, the blue one. Come on, the blue. She wants the blue one. She wants to. Come on. Gotta take care of the baby. She wants the blue one. Here we go.
She gets
all
what
right.
she wants.
Appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. She wants this car, Dad. Get her the car, the blue one. How you guys doing? Doing well, doing well. You haven't sold it yet? You don't want to sell it, bro. You don't want to sell it. Don't sell it. You'll regret it. Anybody I've ever talked to on a rag that sold, they're like, oh, I shouldn't have sold it. Look at this, is a beautiful 61 Impala. He's got the red top, he's got the red and gray pinstriping. Of course, he's got the fit. There you go, that's what I'm talking about. There you go. Some nice touches, beautiful rides. We're doing beautiful rides today. There you go. Beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, look at this one right here. Simple and clean and ready to go. Beautiful. Beautiful cars. Look at this one. This is an old school one, and we got the Reds sticker on it. Reds hydraulics. Got the cops over there representing, making sure everything is safe. Everything is safe. Everything is beautiful. Got a beautiful hot rod. Look at this color. Oh my God, that is a beautiful color. That is a beautiful color. That's a beautiful car.
That's a custom paint job.
Oh man, it's beauty. This car's beauty.
Mike D painted car.
Uh-oh. Mike D.
Yeah.
This is your touch. Look at this. Man, I love this thing. I don't know if I could fit in it, but I love it. Wow. That is a beauty. That is a beauty right there.
I think I've got the only hot rod here.
I love it. The variety, the better. You know what I'm talking about? Look at that. Look at this. Custom paint. It's a red. It's got some flake in it.
Yeah.
How long have you had this car?
Since 2021.
Wow. Is this one of your dream cars and you made it a reality?
Took me 40 years to get this.
It's a beauty.
Hard work, buddy.
Congratulations.
I used to work down at General Dynamics Dam.
Oh, really? You're a shipyard worker. Man,
Salary production foreman.
dreams come true.
I retired in 2020.
Wow.
My birthday.
And got himself a hot rod. Look at this thing. Wow.
They're telling the guys that work had a hot rod, they didn't believe me.
Look at this thing. That is a beauty. Congratulations. Oh, I love this. Is this a custom emblem?
Yes, it is. Radiator cap.
I was going to say, look at that thing.
They only made those radiator caps like that from 1929 to 1933.
Did you hear that? Wow, this is a beauty. Okay.
My homies there.
What's your name? Where are you guys from?
This is Sophia. I'm Joe. Casillas right from San Diego.
And
Old Brown Image.
Brown Image, the OG car club. Tell me about your car club. How long has it been around?
Since the 70s. I was just a young whippersnapper, like 18 years old. We were kind of the guys that started the whole thing, hanging out at the park down there when we were young.
And how many cars do you have?
I have 4 cars. I have a 58 convertible, 59 convertible, a 62 Impala, and a 62 Impala.
And which one is your favorite to drive?
62 is all original, unrestored.
Wow.
Never been touched.
Did she get to drive it?
No. I'm afraid to.
You sound like my wife. You sound like my wife.
Something to it, that's it. I'm kidding.
All right, beautiful. Thank you.
Right, thank you.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bring the kids.
There he is right there.
Hi. Oh,
She's in it.
like this
She's in
one
the
because
video.
it's too tall.
There you go. Good to see you. And this is Mike Acho's car. Look at this thing. Oh my God. This is the crowd. The crowd. We love the crowd. Look at that. Beautiful cars, beautiful people, beautiful gente. This car show is loaded with cars, man. I would not want to be a judge. All right, I do not want to be a judge. There we go, familia right there. Look at that. That's beautiful. There he is. Yeah. Look at her car. Oh, look at that. Woohoo! All right, time to run. I got another event I gotta go to. Let's go. This was fun. Good car show. Congratulations. On to the next event. Let's go. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and share, and follow, please. Got more videos coming up for you. Appreciate you. Thanks for watching. There you go. Beautiful. Love it.
Bitches hating, that shit is entertainment. You don't get in line, I got plenty of replacements. I can't fuck with basic bitches, all these bitches basic. Want it, see it, cop it, I got it. I do what I want, yeah, that's why I'm so poppin'. I don't know the price, I ain't check when I bought it. You be yapping on the gram, I'll be popping in the streets. A natural baddie like me, I'm always elevating, I can never be evading. Real ass, real tits, real class, real bombs. Thicker than a sticker, jeans tight, no rule. Ass so big like damn. Rings on the mic, don't hate, don't trick. dancing with the 9 in the clip. Why you hoes at the baby? I'm talking to you. I'm a south side of baby. I'll make your move. Yeah, yippity yap yap, yippity do. I see you running your mouth. Yeah, you're looking to move. You a studio gangster. You a Facebook man. Love me or hate me, unfollow me, bitch. Money in the good, I'm gonna lay on the back like bitch. Six, everyone's a gangster, everyone's a G. Gonna get locked up. Every girl we see, bitch. 9 out, 416. You a real OG. And you own that shit. Goddamn lockdown, close. Hoping that the homie on the yard don't tell.
Yeah, but during the week.
Hey, good to see you guys. I love it, I love it. Beautiful gente. See, this is what Lowrider's all about. This is what the car community is all about. Just like that. How you doing? There he is. How you doing? How you doing? Good to see you, man. How's everything?
Legend.